That was lovely, Jess.
Oh, wow.
Way to start a video off here. Anyway, this is the new Kickstart, Mountain Dew Kickstart Raspberry Citrus. So I figured I'd give it a try. That's Speedway here. So I don't know if it's at any other stores, but we're gonna give it a try. Do you want to do the honors and open it for me? Thank you. And not a Kickstart fan, huh?
No.
Nah. Yeah, she ain't a Kickstart fan. So let's see how it tastes. It tastes like I don't know. It tastes like something else I've had before. Kind of tastes like that that Monster, Monster soda drink. It tastes like to me that red one a little bit. Not bad though. Not my favorite one, but it's not bad. This is the Hydrating Boost one, by the way. This isn't the regular Kickstart, it's the Hydrating Boost. Not too shabby.